Hidden beneath layers of concrete and earth, a team of engineers begins exploring a sealed underground structure. Old military records suggest this location once housed a nuclear missile system during the Cold War. After entering the bunker, the team moves through dark tunnels and heavy steel doors.
Guys, this is unbelievable.
Deep inside, they discover a missile silo, untouched for decades. The structure is covered in dust, rust, and debris. The missile system remains in place, but time has affected many of its components. The engineers begin a careful inspection. Restoration begins slowly. Dust and debris are removed from the silo walls and mechanical structures. One section at a time, the engineers clean the system. Metal surfaces are washed, and damaged components are identified. The missile support system is opened. Internal parts are inspected and replaced where necessary.
Almost there. Go ahead.
New components are brought in and installed carefully. Each connection is checked to ensure proper function. Inside the control area, panels and systems are restored. Wiring and control mechanisms are repaired step by step. Once the internal systems are restored, the exterior structure is prepared. The silo walls and mechanical platforms are cleaned and repainted. The missile is carefully restored, section by section. Every part is cleaned, repaired, and returned to working condition. Finally, the system is ready for testing. The engineers activate the control systems and begin a full operational check. The missile system is raised slowly from the silo. All systems respond correctly. What was once hidden underground has now been restored as a preserved piece of history. If you enjoy discovering forgotten war machines, make sure to subscribe to War Relics Achieve for more incredible restorations.